Rusticens native blinds. Here is a guide on how to set it up. Installation accessories depends on where you're going to put them. Using zip ties is easy, but you can use whatever you have to hang it. After installing, you can also cut off the excess so it would look neat. As you can see, it rolls up so easily. Tie the cord so it won't roll down. Here are the different types of varnishes we have. Please note that the clear varnish is barely noticeable. FYI, woods can either be dark or light, and so when they are varnished, make sure to grab some now. At Rusticens Blinds and Wood Products.